I'm going to try and fix up this OnePlus 5T phone. Obviously needs a new screen protector, I think it just is, and the battery lasts for about 3 minutes. So let's put a new battery in it, and we'll see if we can tidy it up at the same time. So, how do we get the old battery out? That is the question. Well, first off, let's just make sure that the screen itself is okay underneath this hideous screen protector. Yes, I do believe it is. Just going to need a damn good clean. But before I do that, let's try and get the battery out. I can see a couple of tiny screws there, but we need to take the SIM card out first. Just like that. Torx T2. Now I'm going to need to pry this case off, I think. This is harder than it looks. Here we have a fresh new battery. Fresh. Doesn't appear to have any adhesive. I'm going to put a little bit of double-sided tape in here just to try and hold it in place. I'm just going to make sure that works before I go ahead and put the rest of it back together. Which is the on button. Can't remember. Is it there? Nice. Okay, so that works. Let's turn it back off again and put it back together again. Right, let's clean this up. I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol and a flux brush. Get rid of all that sticky residue. Shiny new screen protector. Nice. Look at that. Perfect. I'm just going to take a Sharpie to this. It's a bit unconventional and you don't have to do it, but obviously a bit of the paint has worn away here. It's going to go back into a case, but this should just mask it a little bit. There we go. Good as new. There we go. All done. Let's just make sure it still works. Yes. And I'm sure you'll all agree it looks like a new phone now. Maybe. Stupid phone.